The Fc receptors of accessory cells are signaling receptors specific for immunoglobulins of different isotypes. The Fc receptors are a family of cell surface molecules that bind the Fc portion of immunoglobulins. Each member of the family recognizes immunoglobulin of one isotype or a few closely related isotypes through a recognition domain on the alpha chain of the Fc receptor. Fc receptors are themselves members of the immunoglobulin superfamily. Different accessory cells bear Fc receptors for antibodies of different isotypes, and the isotype of the antibody thus determines which accessory cell will be engaged in a given response. Most Fc receptors function as a part of a multi-subunit complex. Only the alpha chain is required for specific recognition. The other chains are required for transport to the cell surface and for signal transduction when an Fc region is bound. Signal transduction by many of these Fc receptors is mediated by the gamma chain, which is closely related to the zeta chain of the T cell receptor complex. Some Fc gamma receptors, the Fc alpha receptor, and the high affinity receptor for immunoglobulin E use the gamma chain for signaling. An exception is human Fc gamma R2A, a single chain receptor in which the cytoplasmic domain of the alpha chain replaces the function of the gamma chain. The Fc gamma R2B1 and the Fc gamma R2B2 are also single chain receptors but function as inhibitory receptors as they contain the ITIM that engages the inositol 5' phosphatase SHIP. Although the most prominent function of Fc receptors is the activation of accessory cells to attack pathogens, they can also contribute in other ways to immune responses. For example, the Fc gamma R2B receptor negatively regulates B cells, mast cells, macrophages, and neutrophils by adjusting the threshold at which immune complexes will activate these cells. And that's the Fc receptors of accessory cells are signaling receptors specific for immunoglobulins of different isotypes. Have a great day.